This is how we tighten up the lock like this. This is how the piece fits. There are two notches here, and there are two holes here. You want to match those two together like so, and then you can see this piece of metal here shaped like that. Once these two pieces are mated like this, you want to slide this like so. That piece moved there, and now this piece and this piece are connected. So that's how that mechanism works. So I'm gonna go and slide that back like that, so I can take this piece off. Gonna jiggle it sometimes, and the direction to move it in to remove it is in the direction of that arrow there. Go ahead and pause it, and now this piece comes out. So I'm doing this because the door became loose. So this piece, as you can see, these two screws are here. It's loose. I'm going to go ahead and put it in like that. Tighten these two screws, and then put that other piece on, and then the door should be good.